We get here, I gotta get a doorknob, obviously. It's gonna be next step. What's going on, everyone? Coach Steve here from the FlexLX. Coming at you with another video, of course, because you know that's what we're gonna constantly be doing. We're looking to upload like 2 or 3 videos every single week. I was almost gonna say every single day, but don't mind me right now. I had a lot of pre-workout, pumped today. We're actually going to be building a wall here in the gym. So one of the biggest things that we're trying to do here in this location is to try to get ready for the winter time, because I don't know if you guys have kept up with like my Instagram videos or any of that stuff, but you know, for the past 2 years since I've had this place, I've been working out in like 20 or 30 degrees weather. It is terrible. It gets really cold in here. I'm wearing like 13 sweaters. I'm not even lying either. Like, it's a lot of hoodies, sweaters, sweatpants, all that stuff. So what we're trying to do is trying to separate the front part of my barn, which I'd show you. Here, look at this. It's a bunch of crap. Like, I gotta clean this up like soon. But we're gonna end up trying to separate this part of the barn from this part here. So by doing that, we're gonna be building a wall here with a door, of course, because like how the hell are you gonna get into it? So that way we can insulate everything and keep this place nice and warm during the winter time, so that way we're not freezing while we're working out. So planning on doing that a little bit later. So I have my stepfather. He's gonna be helping me out, thankfully, because I have absolutely no idea what I'm doing. He was like, hey, this is what we're supposed to get, blah blah. I'm like, oh shit, all right, well I guess that works out. So he's gonna be helping me out a bit later on today. So I'm here at the gym right now, though. I'm gonna go work out. So we are a quarter of the way done as far as the frame goes for the wall. Still planning on insulating it. We have all that stuff back there as far as in case Rodney wants to turn the camera around.
What are you looking for back here?
Just everything that we have.
So there's the supplies.
Yeah, we still have the insulation that we're going to put up. I'm not sure if we're going to do that today. I guess it depends on time and stuff, and go on from there. Good times.
You want to say what's up, Ray?
Guys, pretty much done with the wall finally. It took a little bit, roughly around 3 days or so. My stepfather, he came over Wednesday and got most of it done on Thursday. And then today I just did, you know, pretty much the final touches as far as it goes. So I'm stoked. I've been walking through this door and it's so funny, but you'll see it. It takes you out of like this garage and brings you into like an actual gym. So I'm gonna show you guys right now. Don't mind the mess. There's a bunch of stuff that I gotta clean up. So this is the wall that we built with the door, of course. So once we get here, I gotta get a doorknob, obviously. It's gonna be next step, and here we are. Look at this. So far it's awesome, right? I know you guys have probably seen my garage gym a million times. I ended up cleaning it up a bit too. But this is so far how it looks, but look at that wall, man. So it might seem kind of dumb, but honestly, like, the whole idea that I wanted for the wall was, one, it was to trap in the heat, because during the winter time, it's freezing. It gets to like 20 or 10 degrees in here, so it gets really cold. I wanted to separate this area of the gym compared to the rest of the barn, because I don't mind if the rest of the garage is cold or whatnot, you know, like that doesn't affect the stuff that's in there. What I really want to do, like, you know, eventually when I start training more people in here, is to make this place nice and warm, especially during winter time, so that people aren't freezing when they're in here. So that's the biggest reason as far as the wall. The second thing is to separate, you know, that environment. When you walk in through that door, what I want it to be about is work. When you go through that door, it's about being here in the gym and busting your ass to get to the improvements of where you actually want to be. So that's really the big thing. It's not just to keep this place warm. It's really to be like, listen, you're walking through that door, This is a totally different environment than what's out there. When you're in here, it's to literally work your ass off to get to the goal of where you actually want to be. So I'm stoked, man. I've walked through that door like a million times. It's the funniest thing, but it changes the atmosphere just like that. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video so far. There's a lot more stuff that I'm looking to get done. I think the next step is to get some flooring in here so that way it looks a little bit better. I think once we do that, then we can start looking into some new equipment and stuff. So a lot of great things happening for Flex Finger Lakes. As long as you guys keep in touch, make sure to like, subscribe, share, press that notification bell so that way you can continue watching our progress, not just here in the barn, but as well as everything that we're going to be talking about, whether it's fitness or nutrition or just really anything. There's a ton of stuff that we're going to be coming out with in the next, few months. So stay tuned. It's been awesome. Hope you guys watch to the end of this video because you're going to love it. So I will catch you guys soon. I'll see you.